All brick split level home on over 2/3 acre in lovely established neighborhood, walking distance to Jefferson Springs Park and boat launch. No HOA, plenty of room for your boat, RV, etc. HVAC approx 10 years old. Roof and gutters replaced approx 5 years ago. All windows replaced except picture window. Water heater replaced 2 years ago. Most of the flooring updated to laminate. Septic drain field expanded, adding secondary field lines. Made perc for 4 BRs, 3 bedroom on main level and 1 bedroom and BTH on lower level, and large rec room. Measurements listed as second floor are located on lower level, ideal for extended family quarters with separate entrance. Large patio, huge kitchen with spacious eat-in area, deep garage with lots of room for workbench. Lots of storage space. Needs updating to be a real beauty.